What's up, power washers? FordPaintPower.com here. Power Washing Pro GA. Check this out. FordPaintPower.com is its own entity. It's its own brand. It's not in competition with anyone, anybody, any other company. What separates you from everybody else? You are your own competition, in other words. If I have knowledge, understanding, understanding, or overstanding that I can pass on to someone, I will not hesitate to do that. Information is the new currency. If I can give you knowledge or give you information so that you can take it and sustain yourself, your family, or your business, or whatever it is that you're trying to fund, your lifestyle, whatever the case may be, I'm going to give it to you. Here's where I have an issue. If I give you the information that has taken 20 years, 25 years to get, and I give it to you in an hour, and you don't take heed to it, you wasted your time and you wasted my time. There's a lot of companies, guys out there that are power washing, pressure washing, whatever, and they're good. I mean, these guys are awesome. You can learn so much from so many different entities, and you take all that information and you ball it all up and you put it into your own brand, and there you're just as good. So there's no competition, just wash on, be the best you can be at what it is that you do, and whatever separates you from the next company or next power washer or whatever, then so be it. It's more than enough work, more than enough money to go around. Oh my gosh, the amount of mold and mildew in homes and concrete and masonry and roofs and shingles and tile roofs and whatever. It's so much out here that no one should be in competition. If you're in a saturated market, you got to find you a niche or a price point or whatever that you're comfortable with that will help sustain you. It's tough out there when you got an overcrowded pond, versus being in a big ocean where there's plenty. I don't know. You got to find something.